Hey guys, today's my topic is what is array. First we will see definition of the array. Array is the sequential collection of similar elements of data types. First number, then last infinite element, last number. Each number declare the index number. Index number, it means memory location. Advantages of array. It used to represent multiple data items of same type by using only single name. It used to implement data structure like stack, queue, tree, etc. It is used to represent 2D or 3D matrices. Disadvantages of array. Array is the static structure. It is a fixed size. In this, insertion and deletion are very difficult and time consuming. Then we will see program of the array. In this program, array declare total number of the elements. It means declare the 4 string value. Then declare the index value of the each string. Then list all elements and read all list. Then we will see types of array. There are two types of array. First is a single dimensional, second is a multi-dimensional. Single dimensional array. It used to represent store linear form data in only one subscript variable in array. It is also called as linear array. Multi-dimensional array having more than one subscript variable. It is also called as matrix. In this single dimensional array, syntax declare the data type and declare the size of the array. It means declare int, index value and number of the values. Then multi-dimensional declare the row and declare the total columns and declare the values. Please share, like and subscribe my channel for more updated videos. Thank you.